Hello all, welcome to LTX classes. In this class, the series of Science and Technology concept series, today we are going to deal about the space debris. Clear? It is often called as the space junk or space debris. Okay, let's have some glance over the space debris and how can you have to imbibe all this information in your mains answer writing. Clear? So the whole article is being dealt by, this is Srinivas. Okay, let's have the look here. So first of all, we have to discuss something related to space and see the objects which remain unused in the space or the products which are waste in the space are called as space debris. Clear? Often it is also called space junk, right? So we often call junk means which does not have any useful, right? Which does not have any useful properties, it is called junk, like junk food, so and so, right? So in space debris, actually space debris consists of lot of unused rocket materials. Clear? Unused rocket materials. Sir, how unused rocket materials will reach there? See, in generally satellites are generally placed in the space. These satellites should be carried by one space vehicle, and that space vehicle is called the rocket, and the rocket consists of minimum metals and everything, right? So actually when satellite is placed in the space, all the rocket material that is used to carry the satellite will remain in the space for longer times. Clear? Yes, for longer times it remains in the space. So all that unused rocket material comes in space debris part. And see, already completed life of these satellites means dead satellites. See, when we launch some satellites into the space, it consists of some life. Take 1 year, 2 year, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, right? And after 10, 15, 20 years, it is called the dead satellite. Clear? And the other, see, dead satellites also comes in space debris and junk, and the other things called the fragments of space. Clear? Fragments of space means all the celestial bodies or all the asteroid parts which remains suspended in the space are also called as the space debris. So at last we have concluded that in space we can understand that lot of amounts of space debris remain in space without any touch. Sir, why we are discussing right now means because see, actually the space debris which remains in the space actually takes movement at the speed of 27,000 kilometers per hour. Can you imagine? 27,000 kilometers per hour when any object, even in its slightest thing, means even in grams or even in centimeters, might damage the whole satellite or rocket itself. This is the danger that space debris actually throws towards human beings. Clear? So are you getting? These objects which remain in space even at the length of centimeters or even at the weight of grams is also very dangerous. Clear? So that's why the importance of space debris has come. Clear? Actually they are in low earth orbit. Sir, what is low earth orbit? All the orbits importance will be dealt in other video, so stay tuned, we are going to release that also. Clear? So then see what happens and why we are as of now giving much importance towards this space debris. Clear? The space debris poses the global threat. Actually right now it is posing the global threat. The space debris, the real amount may consist of some 5 lakh to 10 lakh small pieces. See, after many studies it has said some 5 lakh to 10 lakh small pieces of space debris actually remain suspended in the space. So the time has come to show the greater importance towards the space debris. Clear? So what we have to see, if we leave all these things, it may cause the collision. Clear? It may cause the collision with other important satellites that are actually working in the space. So right now our main goal should be to prevent the collision. Clear? To prevent the collision. If collision happens to any healthy satellite or rocket, then the whole purpose will go in vain, right? So to not to lose all the objects in the space, what we have started, we are right now thinking to remove the space debris. So you have to see, actually we have seen that it might rotate somewhere around 27,000 kilometers per hour. Some 5 lakh to 10 lakh detected small pieces are available as space debris, which might cause some damage to our satellite objects. See, actually there is one phenomenon and you have to know this, that is called Kessler Syndrome. Please try to remember the concept of Kessler Syndrome. What happens in this Kessler Syndrome? See, if for example, see, here one satellite, here one satellite, here one satellite, here one satellite. See, these are satellites suspended in the space. Take this dark one as the space debris. It might hit this blue one first, and these pieces will be thrown to this side, and these pieces might be thrown to this side and to this side, and these pieces will be thrown to this side, to this side. Are you getting? So the object, see, it might reach lot of places, and one collision actually damaged 7 to 8 satellites at a time. This is called the Kessler Syndrome. Clear? This is called Kessler Syndrome. Even the slightest change in path might deviate the whole purpose, might damage the whole purpose. Clear? So one object has led to the damage of other satellites also. That is also called the domino effect in general sense. If it is called in space related thing, it is called the Kessler Syndrome. So that's why NASA actually first time has come with one object, that is to protect its, what is that, International Space Station. Around the International Space Station, NASA has come with something that is called the sensors. The sensors which can detect the debris which is coming towards its main International Space Station. As international level, many countries are coming to do some prospects regarding to prevent collision with the space debris. In the same way, India has come with the project of Netra. Clear? India has come with the project called Netra. In this Netra project, we are going to detect the early warning system. Clear? Early warning system means actually India is trying to get the space situational awareness. Clear? Space situational awareness. Space situational awareness actually improves the debris knowledge and everything. It actually makes the constant look over to its satellites which are rotating around the earth. See, the Netra project actually looks each and every satellite that is launched by India and travels all the information regarding the surroundings of our satellites. If it detects any of the space debris coming towards Indian satellites, it actually sends messages and information towards the ground level authorities. Clear? So that is the importance of Netra. And see, when you observe this, as of now, as presently, most countries are also trying to increase the science and technology towards the removal of this space debris. Like for example, there are few projects which goes on it. Like there is one project which is called remove debris. Clear? Remove debris, which wants to remove the debris from the space. and there is other object that is called deorbit mission. Under this mission, it wants to deorbit the objects which are coming towards the satellites. For example, see, this is one satellite, and see, one space debris is coming towards it. So actually what happens under deorbit mission, the whole space debris will be moved out of here and will be dragged towards Earth. Why? When it is dragged towards Earth, Earth has gravitational force. If gravitational force applied on this space debris, it is generally drawn towards the Earth. When it is drawn towards the Earth, the speed at which it moves towards the Earth actually burns the whole debris, and it does not show any effect on the Earth. Are you getting? So when some object is moving from high Earth sources, like let's say some 100 or 110 kilometers from the Earth towards the Earth, it actually makes all the things into ashes. See, gravitational force provides some attrition, and that attrition causes some burning sensation, and the whole that space debris will go into ashes. Clear? So are you getting? This is all about the space debris and various international organizations trying to solve the problem of space debris. Clear? So these are the things we just want to explain you, and stay tuned to our series. We are going to release many new science and technology concept series.